At ABB, we provide technologies for manufacturing and industrial operations all over the world. The industries are going through a significant transformation. They have been challenged to be more productive, efficient, and more resilient. Our digital flagship product is Genix. It analyzes the functions such as asset, operational, and process performance, emissions, and energy savings. But one of the biggest challenges is pulling the data from the different source systems and contextualizing them in a platform approach. We chose Azure OpenAI service because of its customization, safety, and dependability, and built Genix Copilot to help our customers ask a question in natural language and get the answers and make better decisions immediately. The customer might ask Genix Copilot, what is my industrial emission level today? It gives recommendation, reduce the cooling fan speed to reduce the energy consumption by 12%. Customers are seeing the value of AI. It's cutting the maintenance cost up to 30%, improving the asset reliability by 20%, reducing the carbon emissions by 15%, bringing the energy consumption down by 20%. By integrating Azure OpenAI with our domain expertise and technologies, we are solving some of the most complex problems in the industries.